Hello, Redstone Robot here, and I'm here to show you my song I composed using note blocks. Tell me if you like it. Okay, that was it. I will make this video longer by building some other levels of it, like this. When I'm done with this, it's going to be such a complicated song with so many bridge going on. Actually, that can go out. And it will be just extra. 1, 2, 3. Tell me if you want to elaborate on this song. Okay, we didn't really hear that, so I'll play it again. Tell me in the comments below if you like this song. See you later, guys.